Anybody's ever had a problem with a poacher or vandal or trespasser on their property trying to mess up their lock system with super glue, which we've had, I was trying to think of a way to get the glue out. So anyway, I've looked at different solvents from lacquer thinner to paint thinner, gasoline, WD-40. I just couldn't dissolve it. So what I did, I figured out that maybe with heat you can vaporize, or the hardened glue. So I'm going to give that a try. What I did on this lock right here, I super glued a few dabs, as much as I can get in there, 2 days ago. So it's been dried for 48 hours. And as you see, I can't get my key in there because of the glue. So we're going to see if I can heat it up hot enough. I think I need to get to about 400 degrees with the basic torch to try to get that glue out of there. I think it produces a cyanide gas, so you don't want to breathe it, but there's not a whole lot going on here. There's only a few drops in there, and I'm in the open air, so should not be a problem. You just got to get it hot enough to melt it. So I couldn't get enough heat out of this little lighter to melt the super glue. So I'm going to plan B. I'm going to step up my game a little bit. Let's see if I can heat up the lock without destroying it. I'll let that cool down a little bit. Losing all my plastic. All right, put a little more heat to it. I might ruin my lock, but I got nothing to lose at this point. Should have gotten it pretty hot. So it's cooled down a bit, but right now it's over 400 degrees. So I'm hoping that super glue, Gorilla Glue, is melted by now. See if I can do this without burning my hand. And she opened up. The lock's